Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Anushka Tripathi, Dallas Summit Global School, Sigra. We are very pleased to welcome you, Dr. Meera Desai. Thank you. Had PhD in Psychology, Pune University, then Master in Arts of Psychology from Savitri Bai Phule University. So let's start from asking you some questions.
Sure.
So my first question is, what subject or skills that you most in your field?
Oh, wow. In our field, most important thing is to know about current trends, what's happening around, what's happening in the age group that we are working. For example, if I'm working with students, then what are the current challenges? So first is general knowledge and having a general idea about current trends from games to news to politics to social to psycho, everything. So that's one of the primary skills. Um, After that, the next important skill that we need to know is active listening. So we need to listen to whoever is saying anything to us with utmost patience. And then comes empathy. So other social skills that we talk about. So yes, listening is the core of my profession.
Did your school experience influence your career choices?
My school experience. Oh my god. Okay. So yes, I was kind of the popular girl, just like you, who will do all these podcasts. तब तो नहीं होते थे. We used to do like interview करना है, कहीं भी stage पे खड़ा करना है, तो इसको खड़ा कर दो, right? So that is something that helped me with my public skills. We also used to have something called personality development workshops, etc. And that also helped me to, come and learn to communicate better with people. More than that, in our school, we were having a lot of experiential learning apart from the academic syllabus, rather in parallel with academic syllabus. When we used to पीछे वाले bench पे बैठ के खेलते भी रहते थे. So that also helps you to develop some skills in you, right? Okay. So some of the skills that then later contributed in my career shift or career choice to psychology were that stage spirit, ability to speak in public. Our teachers always encouraged us to speak. Okay, so that helped. I also used to participate in multiple competitive exams. So those extra classes where teachers will invest in you to prepare, that contributed a lot.
Then what is the scope of counseling? Because when we are dealing with the school counselors and counseling, parents at times the children are any special educators.
Right,
They don't understand. They try to hide the fact.
right.
So where is the role and what is the role of the counselor here?
Oh, very important question, and thank you for asking this question. So now that government has started with inclusive education policy, it is, although yes, looking at a equal opportunity being given to all, it's being difficult for the child also to adapt in this environment. It's difficult for the teacher also to help the child adapt in the environment, because एक ही बच्चे पे फोकस करेंगे तो बाकी 30 की क्लास का क्या होगा. And it is very difficult for parents, because of inclusive education, sometimes even to accept that there is something different in my child which I need to understand and get diagnosed. So the role of school counselor primarily here is to sit with the child, diagnose the child, then sit with parents so that you have a data driven finding rather than just sharing some observation कि ये class में ऐसे करता है, which generally come from teachers. But these observations then become a point of debate and ego clash and a blame game. So, as a counselor, they are supposed to diagnose the child first and then sit with the parents and the teacher to tell them that this is the problem and this is how we are going to help the child survive in this inclusive environment as well. A teacher can't do this alone. Primary role of a teacher is to give education, share knowledge, enrich the experience of all the students in the class. That is why we require a special educator or a shadow teacher to help this child cope better. Another important point is dealing with parents. Teachers and parents have equal role in grooming any student, right? However, this role is divided, as parents are supposed to develop the value system, संस्कार जिसे हम बोलते हैं हिंदी में, वो पेरेंट्स से आ जाते हैं. और जो नॉलेज या इंटेलेक्चुअल डेवलपमेंट है, दैट इज प्राइमरीली द रोल ऑफ टीचर. व्हेन यू आर डीलिंग विद अ स्पेशल चाइल्ड, ना संस्कार ना इंटेलेक्ट, दोनों चीजें साइड छूट जाती है. इट बिकम्स अ पॉइंट ऑफ डिबेट दैट हु इज गोइंग टू टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ दिस चाइल्ड. for both the things. So here, even counselors can help the parents to be aware of the limitations of the child as well as vocational strengths of the child. To give you a simple example, we had a special child in our class. She will speak thousands of lines at home. Alright, घर में वो सब बात करती थी. But the minute she will enter the school, even if she had to go for washroom, she will not tell the teacher. She will not talk to anybody. And कुछ भी कर लो, उसको चिल्लाओ, उसको मारो, उसको दोस्त के बोलो, every method was tried and tested, nothing worked. She was very determined कि जब मैं 5th क्लास में जाऊंगी ना, जब भी मैं बात करूंगी. Alright? Her oral exam, mama, her mother is a special educator. She used to record the session and then send कि देखो उसको आ तो सब रहा है, but there's some social anxiety issue which we are not able to address. School got all hyped up कि ऐसे कैसे चलेगा, वो बात ही नहीं करेगी तो it's affecting her development. The parents were like, we are okay. Now school said कि नहीं, we will send her for counseling. Counseling did not work. Eventually, as per her plan, she started talking. Now in this case, it's a false alarm. It's not a core developmental issue in the child. It is more of a psychological issue which had to be intervened by the counselor. In other cases, when it is actually true, when teachers say कि आपका बच्चा मैथ्स नहीं कर पा रहा है या आपका बच्चे के लिए साइंस बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, तो encourage him for music, dance, vocational training दो so that वो अपने पैरों पे खड़ा हो सके, right? This is the second case where teacher take initiative. In this, parents are like, वो academics नहीं करेगा तो कैसे चलेगा? So I met a parent whom then I counseled, and the counseling helped so much that the parent then took a degree in special education to help her child better. So that is also a route that parents take. But most of the time in India, we see that there is a stigma attached. मुझे भी बोलते थे जब मैं कॉलेज में थी कि you are such a bright student, then पागलों के डॉक्टर क्यों बन रहे हो? Right? Now people realize that it's not about पागलों के डॉक्टर बनना. It's far more as a profession. So parent have to, like, counselors in school then can conduct awareness program for the parent, for the students in the class as well, where there is a special child, and how you are supposed to behave with this student. नहीं तो बच्चे भी चिढ़ाते रहते हैं उसको, बच्चों को भी नहीं समझ रहा, right? For them it's just a weak student जिसको सब bully कर सकते हैं, right? So there are
Even the parents are not ready to accept that there is a problem with that child.
right.
They go go to special educators, and by the time they reach, sorry, too late. So
Right.
you cannot hold the schools responsible for that. Counseling is the only way, or
Yes, counseling and vocational education are the two choices that we generally prefer. कि बच्चे, हर बच्चे में वो कुछ भी issue हो, there is some potential. God is blessed everyone with something. Help and identify that profession. We had a set of parents. पिताजी रेलवे में काम कर रहे थे. Mother was a homemaker. Their child could not walk till the time he was 3.5. At the age of 3.5, उसने पहला कदम लिया. At the age of 6, he spoke his first word. But the father was determined कि इसको कुछ नहीं आता, but इसको ना मैं ऐसे press करना सिखाऊंगा. So first they taught the child only the difference between hot and cold. It took them almost 6 to 8 months to do that, right? Once he understood the difference, then they taught him the art of pressing. होटल के जो बेडशीट्स होते हैं, उसमें there are no issue. It's a plain thing that you just need to press, right? Then they taught him currency, alright? And that's it. They were like, बस अब हमें उसको और कुछ नहीं सिखाना. उसको होटल में प्रेस करने के लिए अटैच कर दिया. He knows उसका हाथ नहीं चलेगा. He knows he can earn his bread and butter. They had another child who was a normal child, but they were like, नहीं, इसको अपना कमाना है. Now that is a kind of support and effort that is required from the parental side as well. कि accept करो, आप ही का तो बच्चा है, right? And it's a golden child. Every child is a golden child. So you have to act. Unless you accept that, there is no action. So that's the concern.
What does a typical day look like in your job?
Oh, wow. So when you say my job is divided into multiple task. So my primary role is into developing these tools for assessment. So I am a psychometrician. That's a profession in psychology, right? So as a metrician, my job is to observe any behavior and convert it into numbers, right? So that you can set up some formula and predict the behavior, right? So I spend most of my time in research. When we talk about this counseling session, then so if you ask my day, of course, utho, bacche ko ready karo, school bhejo, la la la. Then you start your office. I primarily am into reading and understanding news समझो. उसके बाद I spend a lot of time in writing statements. So I interact with people. जैसे आपने जो टेस्ट दिया, उसमें there were multiple statements, right? So how I'm going to do with that? So primarily research work, which I do remotely on my own. Then sometimes when we are going for counseling, then that day the day starts with talking and ends with talking, just like all the teachers. So we are talking and listening both. So that's how the professional code goes.
What should students focus on during their senior years?
Okay, define senior years, please.
Like in 11th or 12th?
When you're talking about 11th and 12th, since we are sitting in school campus, primary focus is communication and identity. Academics run parallelly with this. All right. I have seen a lot of students who were amazing till their ninth. Okay. After that, something goes off and the academics start falling down. So your psychology is getting affected somewhere. And it is getting affected because you're not able to communicate your problems with someone. Right. Another thing that I notice in this generation is they are more comfortable talking with internet friends or GPT than this human with skin. Right? So that also creates another issue. So I would request people your age to talk to people. Why? Because that is the core skill which will help you earn money and prestige and fame when you grow up. Okay. We are not, yes, your generation might interact with machines more than our generations, but human is something which will help you feel the warmth. Robo वो feeling कभी नहीं दे पाएगा, right? So that's one. Second thing is that you need to focus on is developing your own identity. Your Insta and Facebook is not it. Okay, peer recognition is a huge thing for this generation. उसने मुझको ऐसे बोला, my friend shifted to another school, life is over, right? So please focus on your own identity. We request every child in 11th and 12th to run a SWOT for yourself. Because होता क्या है, um, from the cognitive psychology perspective, 11th and 12th are the years when you're now about to become an adult. So your personality development is now getting concretized with your traits. Okay. Academically, your concretization is happening with JEE and NEET, right? You're busy with your school hours, then tuition hours, then there is no free time, whatever free time, in phone or homework, there is no real communication happening. So your concretization is automatically on lower communication, lower socialization, and lower enterprising skills, which are core of any job that you take in future, irrespective of what your career you decide to go in. So ये balance खत्म होने की वजह से you then end up in an identity conflict. Okay, कि पहले तो मेरे पास इतना टाइम होता था, अब तो पढ़ाई में सब डूब गया, है ना? अब डूब गया तो जब कॉलेज जाओगे तो you're like ये अब कॉलेज, so that डूबा हुआ सब एंजॉय करना है तुमको, है ना? So that balance has to be there. Okay, uh, that's what I want you to focus on.
In all your counseling sessions, like candidate, so which is the career the teenagers and the youth is going for?
Oh wow. Oh, pan India, still there is bias towards doctor and engineers that we notice because parents don't know other best professions. Parents are not aware of recent traditions that are coming in. So there we see bias in that direction. You are one of the rarest school where I saw that there is a mix of profession. Commerce students are interested in banking and finance. They are aware कि बस CA नहीं होता, CFA भी होता है, CS भी होता है और CA में भी होता है. Commerce students are willing to take up management related career and not limiting themselves to accounting and banking jobs. Even in case of science, you are one of the rarest schools where not a single child asked me this question कि नीट का प्रेशर आ रहा है मैं क्या करूँ, जेई का प्रेशर आ रहा है मैं क्या करूँ. That shows the amount of comfort that you are offering them, right? And at the same time, every one of them has a plan B.
That's what the school is focusing on. now.
Right. Exactly. That's the best thing that I observe about school कि here every child has a plan B. They are coming with a mindset कि अच्छा डॉक्टर नहीं हुआ तो ये क्या है, बायोलॉजी में मैंने ये पढ़ा है. A lot of schools students are not aware even in 11th and 12th कि करना क्या है. It's just that कि science नहीं लेना तो commerce ले लिया. Whereas humanities is the most earning profession.
Absolutely.
So that's the shift that I'm seeing, and there's versatile career option. Matlab, for the first time in the school report summary, when I was writing it yesterday, I was like, finally we are seeing equal distribution in all the three streams where kids are also equally interested in humanities. They are equally interested in commerce and science. So that's the best part about Sandeep. But in India, all over, yes, there is a hype about AI related professions. There's a hype about humanity, public service. These are the professions which are popping up right now. The sooner trend is going to be about agriculture, organizational development. That will be upcoming boom very soon. And hospitality and tourism.
Agriculture also, and I heard it right.
Yes.
Because the world is moving fast, moving towards AI. Even we are the only ones in Bharat scene. In UP, that was completely learning on AI, complete AI, 100%. But agriculture, I haven't seen students moving towards agriculture. Though in our classrooms, our teachers also we take the a visit to lands and yeah.
Agriculture is seen as a suitable profession for a few students, according to the report. They are not willing for it right now. The limitation with agriculture is when you say agriculture, we imagine एक किसान है जो खेती कर रहा है. But agriculture is undergoing a AI renovation as well, wherein you have drones जो खेत में fertilizer spray कर रहे हैं. You have non-human tillers जो तुम्हारा land clean कर रहे हैं. This vision is not seen. India is a land of agriculture and it is very important. Exactly. And the West is putting all the pollution in India. And West is now shifting ki agriculture karo, organic khao. Exactly. So I expect that this generation or the generation of our children will break that bond. We were saying that agriculture, this revolution is not seen by the children.
Right, these are just the parents from this Korea. Because आपने इसी बोलिए मेरे parents को ये for certain careers थोड़ा सा they should be opening up. It's not a conservative opinion. आज क्या क्या changes है.
Right. So जैसे अपने टाइम पे फोटोग्राफर एक ब्लैक रूम में काम करते थे, अब फोटोग्राफर ड्रोन उड़ा रहे हैं. वैसे ही अब एग्रीकल्चर में पीपल आर नॉट ओनली डूइंग टिपिकल खेत में मजदूर थके हारे किसान. वो चेंज हो रहा है. Look at states like Punjab. They have completely machine oriented agriculture. They're doing organic agriculture. They are directly selling their product to the consumer and making money more than anybody else. Land is not there to sell, so that मेरा बेटा इंजीनियर बने, right? एंड इंजीनियर बन के उसका वो पोटेंशियल नहीं था, बट क्योंकि सारे बड़े लोगों के बच्चे इंजीनियर बन रहे हैं, हमने उसको धक्का दे दिया. Now he is in the rat race where he has no interest and alone with no land in his hand as well. So please don't do that to your children. Understand their interest first. Recently I saw the lady who drapes sari to all these heroines, she is earning 2 lakhs per month. Point is that it's such a miniature, minuscule, highly ignored task. So अपने बच्चे जो free time में चीजें करेंगे, I will request parents that observe your children कि वो free time में क्या करने में time spend कर रहे हैं, right? In the mirror there are a mirroring exercise कि whatever I'm scolding my child to do or asking my child कि science लो, engineer बनो, is it मेरा अधूरा सपना? Or is it that I truly have seen him playing with mechanics and robots and doing these things? New age careers are spreading in everything, and now we have specialization in every small thing. राइट सो इट्स लाइक जैसे मैं कल कह रही थी आंख का डॉक्टर अलग है आईलिड का अलग है सिमिलरली इन साइकोलॉजी वी हैव ऑलमोस्ट 30 to 35 नीश प्रोफेशंस इट्स नॉट ओनली कि क्लिनिकल है पागलों का डॉक्टर है इंडस्ट्री का है we have also 35 different professions. In teaching also now there are multiple segregations coming into picture. So a teacher is now a coordinator, thoda managerial role mix karo, like her who's a sports teacher but also handling multiple other responsibilities. So you learn to mix the careers. आपके बच्चा फ्री टाइम में खाना बनाना पसंद करता है. Forget it if it's a boy or a girl. Okay, his profession is coming up as an engineer. सो ऐसे मत सोचो कि तू मैकेनिकल ही करेगा टेल द चाइल्ड कि यू विल बिकम एन इंजीनियर हु विल डिजाइन अ सोलर कुकर right so you have to mix your passion that's our job as career counselors we ensure that even in the morning I had a student she said that I am interested in banking and finance but my hobby is finance right so I told her that amazing find a field wherein you are working for finance deciding price auction in finance so you do your degree in banking and finance but work with a firm which works in antiques you are mixing up both the careers search for these firms so now this direction this openness is required from parents आपको उनका दोस्त बनने की SOS emergency ज़रूरत है especially at their age
I have a personal question that why it is potentially important to have a character development, especially in our youth.
कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट राइट नाउ कुम्हार को देखा जो मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाता है सो ही कैन डू दिस जॉब बट उसके लिए मिट्टी सही टाइप की सही अमाउंट में गीली होना जरूरी है यू आर एट अ एज वेयर यू आर अबाउट टू एंटर इनटू अडल्टहुड अगर अभी मैं तुम्हारी पर्सनालिटी थोड़ी ट्वीक कर सकती हूँ तो इट विल हैव अ लॉन्ग टर्म बेनिफिट ठीक है मुझको चेंज करने जाओ बहुत मुश्किल है मैं नहीं हिलने वाली मेरा 36 ईयर का ग्राउंडेड एक्सपीरियंस है
That stage, yeah.
राइट कैन यू चेंज योर पेरेंट्स नो राइट यू कैन चेंज योरसेल्फ एंड राइट नाउ इज अ टाइम टू इनकलकेट जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना 3-4 साल की उम्र में कलर सिखाओ जितने लैंग्वेजेस बताने हैं बताओ वो सही उम्र है उस चीज के लिए 6 की उम्र में लिखो फिंगर डेक्सटेरिटी इम्प्रूव करो वो सही उम्र है like that this is my last chance to insert good values good personality traits in any human being insert as in modify जो है तुम्हें उसको पॉलिश करने के लिए is it like कि इसके बाद सील लग गया 18 के बाद कोई बदलेगा नहीं बदल सकता है but the amount of effort that you will have to put in to bring in that change is double or triple the effort that's why we say that अभी there are basic 5 or 6 skills which are required in a 6-year-old in a 60-year-old, irrespective of gender, profession, SES, everything. If you have these 6 skills in you, you will survive any challenge that comes your way. Hence,
Mom, how can a student gain exposure to different fields while still in the school?
internship करो. इंटरनेट पे ना थोड़ा और भी पढ़ लिया करो. Use GPT here, okay, instead of your emotional problems. Okay, टॉक टू जीपीटी अबाउट दीज थिंग्स कि यार जीपीटी मुझको ना फ्री टाइम में सोना पसंद है स्कूल में हिस्ट्री पसंद है फाइंड अ करियर फॉर राइट ओके इट्स अ वेरी वियर्ड कॉम्बिनेशन बट ही विल स्टिल हैव एन आंसर फॉर यू नाउ आस्क हिम कि अब इसके लिए मैं आज क्या कर सकती हूँ व्हाट आर सम ऑफ द गुड पॉडकास्ट आई लाइक हिस्ट्री बट आई डोंट लाइक रीडिंग बुक्स तो सजेस्ट मी सम गुड पॉडकास्ट यूज जीपीटी फॉर दीस थिंग्स ओके अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट अगर एक्सपोजर चाहिए बेस्ट थिंग टू डू इज घर की एक जिम्मेदारी उठाओ ठीक है तुम सबको ना घर की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है नॉट यू बट इन जनरेशन इवन माई डॉटर मैं तुमको नहीं बोल रही इवन आई हैव 8 year old ओके घर की एक जिम्मेदारी उठाओ
Ma'am, as you have interacted with the students and a lot of different career options were visible. So, what is your advice? Do the students and more for the parents?
Oh, I would love the students to, in the way they are reading more about these career options, I also want to add just one more thing to it, that you're looking for these careers as lucrative salary or job security perspective still, because we are a we are Indians, we do look for these things first, right? But however, I want them to start reading about that what is it that happens in this career actually. How can you mix this career with your own interest area, with your own hobby set? Okay. Another thing that I would request student is read, not only on the net, tangible physical books. Reading is important. थोड़ा लगेगा ये old school lady है क्या बोल रही है, right? But that is not the case. Reading helps in your brain development. Your prefrontal cortex, your decision making area, requires you to read from tangible books and requires you to write in tangible manner where your fingers are doing the job, not tapping, right? So that wiring is meant that way. So I request all the students to read and write. Make your goals कि अच्छा मैं सोच रहा हूँ पढ़ा के BFA करूँगा. Very nice. Write down BFA. What all does it require? इसके लिए कितना खर्चा आएगा पेरेंट्स को? इसके लिए मुझे क्या-क्या तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी? Are there any internships? So if it is BFA, can I just go and visit bank? Can I start financing my whole? घर की चीज़ है. Do this. This is the real exposure that is needed. And parents then can believe you. ऐसा है ना कि तुम बोल रहे हो पेरेंट को कि मुझको एलियन बनना है ना? पेरेंट बोल रहे हैं एलियन थोड़ी ना होता है, इंजीनियर होता है, मैं देख रहा हूँ इंजीनियर को, इंजीनियर बनो. फिर तुम पेरेंट को एक्सप्लेन करो एलियन बनने के लिए ना ये 4 साल करना पड़ता है, राइट? देन दे विल बिलीव इन यू. अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम देयर पर्सपेक्टिव एज वेल. उनको पता ही नहीं है वो चीज़ क्या, और तुम बोल रहे हो इसके लिए 4 लाख की फी है. They are taken aback by 4 lakh. It doesn't matter what the name of that degree is. Do you realize? So it's better that you approach parents with a proper. तुम research कर सकते हो, तुम parents को help करो. It's a dual relationship, right? So that's what I will request, and then I will request parents to listen to your child. So when they say कि they come up with crazy career options also. मुझको what is this dance, some dance performance उसमें जाना है. Okay, give me a realistic plan. Work, you know technology. So that you are not even neglecting the child. You are encouraging at the same time, giving them a reality perspective. Ki it's not a cakewalk. What you're asking for is not a cakewalk. So it will keep the conversation to reality and not get into a fight.
Well, a question which comes up very often in our parent teachers meetings also, and it is like the child is hooked on the mobile. The speed time is very है हम क्या करें? तो that's ये कितने पे रहता है और ये आपके पास रहता है. If I'm a parent and I also go through the same process, like I also feel the same trouble. I got the solution from you yesterday. I would like through the podcast, please make solution for my parents.
Right. So, स्क्रीन टाइम लिमिट करना ज़रूरी है, येस. स्क्रीन आपका दुश्मन नहीं है, ऑलराइट? इट इज़ अ वेरी यूज़फुल मशीन. जैसे किचन में मिक्सर होता है, ओके? इट इज़ दैट फॉर योर चाइल्ड. स्क्रीन्स के बिना ये लोग करियर में सक्सेसफुल नहीं बन सकते. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि ये स्क्रीन के साथ कर क्या रहे हैं, राइट? So please ensure that they are watching content which is going to help them in some way or other. Instead of telling your child that shut up and give me my phone, what are you watching? Start the conversation कि अच्छा क्या देख रहे हो? हाँ ये रील है. अच्छा इसमें ये होता है. ओ कितना टेक इंटरेस्ट. आप अगर बिना इंटरेस्ट लिए उसको रिजेक्ट करोगे तो एनी स्टूडेंट और एनी चाइल्ड इज गोइंग टू फील कि ये मुझको मना कर रहा है. Then the child is going to take it on their ego. मना कर रहे हैं मतलब मैं छुप के करूँगा, right? If I take interest, like my daughter watches some stupid unicorn cartoon, it's okay. I personally don't like it, but I told her that oh this is not productive. Now she is like I like it. I want to watch it. Then I started taking interest in whatever she's watching. And then I ask her, अच्छा ये क्या कर रही है? ये है. So then once you have that rapport, then you can say, do you relate this with reality? No. Can you apply it anywhere? No. Now let's divide. 10 minutes you will watch this, 20 minutes you will watch BBC Earth. Okay? Then you enjoy those orangutans dancing here and there, penguins, this and that. So you have to mold the interest. If you will completely say that yes and no, a black and white, this generation is not going to read that. हमने ले लिया, हमको था पेरेंट्स का कि ये करो तो करना है, नहीं करना है तो नहीं करना है. We have not done this with our own kids, right? We did give them a choice. खाने में क्या खाओगे बेटा? शुरुआत आपने की है, right? You did not say रोटी सब्जी है. Now they will also say कि फोन में इतने ऑप्शन है तो मैं देखूंगा. So you have to keep the same interest. That okay क्या देख रहे हो? Oh ये कंटेंट ना अच्छा. Ask them questions. Do you understand the meaning? ये लड़का लड़की को किस कर रहा है, मतलब क्या हो रहा है? अच्छा नहीं हमको नहीं पता. It will automatically help you talk about the most awkward conversations. So take interest and then set a limit. And the limit is not तुम बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स ये करते हैं 2 घंटे पढ़ लेना फिर आधा घंटा फोन देखना, राइट? सो यू आर सेटिंग अप अ रिवॉर्ड सिस्टम. वो 2 घंटे में उसको कितना समझ रहा है आपको भी नहीं पता, बिकॉज नीदर वी अंडरस्टैंड देयर स्टडीज नॉर वी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दे आर वाचिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन, right? So instead of doing that, have a schedule. Every day you will get phone for 30 minutes. How to utilize these 30 minutes the best is your challenge.
That you can say to a senior student. What about the junior one, the foundation stage, that's like class
Same.
3 to 5, to writing.
Right.
So they like the parents are saying, especially the mothers are facing this trouble. ज़्यादा तो मेरी माँ जो mothers है उनको trouble नहीं. Fathers are there in the temper, shops and they're in businesses. तो mother handle नहीं कर पा रही है. ये जो मेरी mothers है उनके यहाँ message दीजिए, how to handle the students who don't want to write.
To all the mothers who believe that their kids don't want to write, don't make them write ABCD all the time. That is one. B, when they are writing, you also sit and write something because nobody sees you writing anymore. They are going to mimic your behavior. When was the last time that you wrote something in front of them where they've understood this? Third, you can make writing interesting. छोटे बच्चों को स्कूल से होमवर्क आता है, ए 2 पेज लिख के आओ. ओके, अब बच्चा लिख रहा है ए. What the mother is doing is, ये देख यहाँ पे लाइन स्लैंडिंग आई है, ये तुम्हारी स्लीपिंग लाइन सही नहीं आई, ये इरेज करो वापस लिखो. I know.
And at the same time, phone is there in the mother's hand also.
Right, that is another issue. But instead of saying कि ये तुम्हारी लाइन सीधे नहीं आई and giving a consistent feedback to every A, alright, sit with a child, utilize this time. A for apple, A for armadillo, A for alligator, A for algebra, A for something else, A for apne Ahmad uncle. Okay, you are attaching meaning to every A. It's making the journey fun for the child. It's making the journey enjoyable. Every A now has a meaning, right? So make that activity a little interactive for the child, right? And then when he's done writing 2 pages, start with, oh ये 5 है कितने अच्छे आए हैं. अच्छा ये वाले में ना स्लीपिंग लाइन खराब है, इसको इरेज करके वापस करना. Now I am doing the same thing. I'm getting the same homework done. My involvement should not be, and this is okay for nursery kids. Once the child is understood कि मेरा homework क्या है, sit next to the child and let them complete their homework. Don't nudge. नज मत करो. नज करने से बच्चा इरिटेट होता है. आप खुद इरिटेट. आपको किचन में खाना बनाते टाइम साइड से कोई भी आके टोके, ये जीरा यहाँ पे क्यों डाल रहे हो, बाद में डालना चाहिए, तेल गरम नहीं हुआ था तुमने पहले ही कर दिया. डोंट यू गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, डोंट यू गेट इरिटेटेड. सेम थिंग हैपनिंग विथ योर चाइल्ड. सो सिट. Being present is more important for your child than the instructions that you are giving. Keep your phone away. I'll tell you one thing.
Yes, basically the others who need to practice this. I should be lesser for that.
I asked this question to a lot of parents that what do you remember from your childhood? ठीक है, को क्या याद रहता है? मोस्ट ऑफ द पेरेंट्स विल से कि पापा ना कभी गिफ्ट लाते थे, पापा ये करते थे, पापा डांटते थे, मम्मा हमेशा चिल्लाती थी, या मम्मी प्यार से वो घी वाली मस्त रोटी गरम गरम देती थी, एंड आई यूज्ड टू एंजॉय दैट. What we remember is the experience and not the content. Nobody when grows up remembers कि मैंने ए ऐसे लिखा उस दिन. They remember मम्मी ने मुझको यूं डांटा था. What memory you want to leave for your child is in your hand. I also understand आप थके होते हो, मम्माज हो, ठीक है, आपका भी दिन बहुत किचर पिचर वाला होता है. Don't hide it from your child. I tell my child very openly कि बच्चा आज ना मैं बहुत थक गई हूँ एंड मैं नहीं कर सकती, आपके साथ अभी गेम नहीं खेल सकती बिकॉज मैं बहुत थकी हुई हूँ. दिस विल ऑटोमेटिकली टेल द चाइल्ड टू बी एम्पैथेटिक विद यू. आप फिर बुढ़ापे में एक्सपेक्ट करके कोई फायदा नहीं है कि अब मेरा बच्चा मेरा ध्यान रखे, बिकॉज उनके लिए वो कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं एस्टेब्लिश हुआ है कि हमको भी इनका ध्यान रखना होता है. सो दैट्स हाउ इट हैज टू बी. दिस जनरेशन especially requires an equal treatment, not only in case of pampering and providing resources, but also in case of responsibility. आप जिम्मेदारी दो बच्चों पे, उनको फेस करने दो कि उसका consequence क्या होता है. You can't protect them from everything.
I have a personal question that as we pass through our age, what is the one of the most important thing that our youth should follow to have a better future?
Listen and reflect. Listen to yourself. Listen to everything. And reflection is reflect if how you are perceiving it, then come to action. Okay? Because your generation has a lot of decision making, right? As compared to any other generation. You have टूथपेस्ट में भी तुमको 50 चॉइस मिल जाते हैं, वहीं से डिसीजन मेकिंग शुरू है तुम्हारे लिए. So listen and reflect. These are two very important things that your generation has to be careful about.
Thank you so very much for joining us. I just show कि जो मेरे parents हैं, the students, they all benefited from this podcast show. Thank you everyone.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.